Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will talk about how can we merge Pandas data frame. So I am on my Jupyter notebook. Here I have already imported Pandas and I have created two data frames. Data frame 1 which is holding 3 names and 3 ages. And then I have data frame 2 which is holding the same 3 names and gender for all those 3. Now if I have to merge this data, what can I do is I need to create another data frame which would hold the result, and then I need to call pd.merge function. Inside that I need to pass the data frames which I need to merge, and then we need to define on which field do you want to merge. So name is the common field here, so I will go ahead and say name. Let's go ahead and print this. So if I will run this, you can see that all the 3 names got their respective age and the gender here. Now what if you have variable number of items or the different items in these data frames? So let's say here you have another name called Monty, which is having age as 34, and here you have another, in this data frame you have one new name, let's say Adwick, and here I am having F. Now if I will run this, you can see that still we are getting 3 names. So how can we get those leftover names? So to achieve that, we need to use another parameter here which says how. And how will take that what all or how you want to merge basically. So there are, let me put here, so either you can take all the left, means if you are mentioning left as a value of how, then it will take everything from the left frame. If you are saying right, it will take everything from the right frame. And if you are saying outer, it will take everything from both the frames. And then we have inner, which is the default merge option, I would say, and it will pick up only the common ones. And apart from this left, and there is one more, cross, which will create the Cartesian product of both the frames. So let's go ahead and try out with left. Okay, so if I'm running this, so you can see that everything from the left frame, which is df1, is the left one for us. So it will pick all these 4 names in the output, and wherever it didn't find the respective value, it will just say nan. Similarly, if I'm saying, let's say right, it will pick everything from the right and will mention nan for the values which are not available in data frame 1. So age is not available for Edwick here, so that's why it is saying nan. Now I can also show you outer. Basically it will pick everything from both the frames. So here you can see that all the names are appearing along with the nan for the missed out ones. And inner, like I have already shown you, it is the default value, so it will just pick up the common ones. And now let me try out this. Oops. Here we need to remove this. We don't need this value when we are going with cross. So this time you can see that each and every record was like multiplied with another one, so it's like a Cartesian product. So that's why you got overall 16 records for 4. Okay, so and another thing I want to show is, let me put it as outer. Now you got this data as an output. Now how will you get to know, or say you want to know that this particular row is picked from which data frame? So in that case, we do have a provision to do that. So let's use another property, indicator, and here you can say true. So when you are saying it true, it will give you that this particular record is present in which data frame. So these 3 were present in both, but the left, this one, Monty, if you will see, it was only in the left one. So this was a record which was only present in data frame 1, and this last one, Edwick, it was only in the right side. So this is how you can perform merge operation, and you can also specify which type of merge you are looking for using the how, and indicator will tell you that from in which all data frames it is available. So I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Thank you.